Once upon a long time ago, there wasn't even a single life in the whole universe. Until it happened that inorganic molecules in the atmosphere were energized from the lightning. This energy allowed the inorganic molecules to join through bonds within each other, forming small and simple organic molecules. Simple organic molecules of the same type joined again through bonds, forming polymers of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids. Once the storm was over, rain carried these macromolecules into the land and water. But one of these macromolecules, the lipid ones, contained parts that are extremely afraid from water. So the water-fearing parts start hiding from the water, and the water-loving parts start orienting themselves toward the water, forming micelles and membranes, trapping other proteins, carbohydrates, and nucleic acids inside. The nucleic acids trapped inside the membrane had advantage over other molecules by their ability to replicate, giving the first cell the ability to divide into more cells.